Calorimetry. What is calorimetry? The calorimetry means it is a branch of physics that deals with the measurement of heat is called calorimetry. So the calorimeter means it is used for measuring the quantities of heat. So very simple, the principle of the calorimetry is also called as law of mixture. So according to this principle of calorimetry, the heat gained by the cold body must be equal to heat lost by the hot body, provided there is no exchange of heat with the surroundings. So the heat gained by the cold body and the heat lost by the hot body must be equal, provided the condition is, what is the condition? There is no heat is lost to the surrounding. So this is the consequence of conservation of energy. Energy neither be created nor be destroyed. It can be transformed from one form to another form. So that is the principle of calorimetry, or the law of mixture is a consequence of conservation of energy. Now we are going to see that what is calorimeter. As already I discussed, it is used for measuring the quantities of heat. So here the picture shows the calorimeter. So this is a thermometer, this is a stirrer. So these two are kept inside the container. So that is a copper vessel. So that copper vessel will be surrounded by glass wool, that is a insulating material. Then that will be covered with the wooden jacket. So this setup is called as a calorimeter. This setup is called as calorimeter. Then what will happen? When the mixture of hot body and cold body are put together in the copper vessel, what will happen? The hot body will lose the heat energy to the cold body. That means heat will be gained by the cold bodies and heat is lost by the hot bodies inside the calorimeter. Provided we are already make that the this wool or the insulating covering does not allow the heat outside the surrounding to the surrounding. Hence we can say that heat gained by the cold bodies is equal to heat lost by the hot bodies. By using these equations can be used to determine the specific heat and latent heat of a substance. By using calorimetry we can calculate the specific heat of a substance and latent heat of substance clearly. So this is the calorimetry. Calorimetry means it is a branch of physics which deals with the measurement of heat. So the device used to measure the heat is called as a calorimeter.